So at this stage we're pretty much there. What I normally do at the end, if I feel it needs it, is with a 2H pencil, just go around and just tighten it up a bit, especially around the eyes, but you don't want to do it too much, just enough to we'll see how it goes, but I think that this one needs it around the eyes, and then we'll see how it looks after that, and it may need something else, but let's just try and tighten this up. So you want it to be pretty sharp, the pencil. I mean, this eye doesn't look quite the right shape to me, so I might obviously you can paint this in if you want. I find trying to do these hard lines with a brush just can be hard to get that nice edge on it. See, already that's made it a bit more sharper, but you don't want to do too much. Again, we might want to just make some of these edges a bit you can even do some sketchy lines if you want. It's up to you. And then with the other eye, don't want to go too much. And if you do go too much, just get your rubber. I think this one's probably going to take a bit of that. Just dab it down. There, it's a bit better. And you've obviously got the crease above. Depends how realistic you want it to be, really. And then with the nose, so you want to highlight, you want to emphasize where the dark and the light meet. That's where you want to be putting a few lines in, but nothing too much, otherwise it can look a bit cartoony. So just very subtle. Where there's contrast. See, the eyes look better now. And then with the mouth, not too much, it's already, I think just this side needs sharpening up a bit. Maybe just on the edges. I mean, I could even go darker with that gap, but I think I'll leave it at that. And then under here. See if I put a line, let's see how it looks. Might be too much. Yeah, it's too much, so I'll rub that out. I like it, you've got the detail, and then it gets a bit more fadey here, there's not as much detail. I could go harder on the shadow here, but I think I'm just going to leave that. It's very subtle, it gets darker there. And just go around the edge. Just in places. I don't want to do it all the way around, that's just going to look too cartoony. So you just want to come in and just do the bits where you can see it a bit darker and a bit more contrast. Maybe on the bottom here. Just under the ear. I think I'm gonna rub out those sketch lines around the ear. And there you go.